Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know caller ID on your iPhone. If you want to hide your caller ID while making a phone call, then watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to hide your caller ID, go and tap Open Settings on your iPhone. From the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you find the phone app. Tap it on, and right where it says Show My Caller ID, give it a tap. On the next page, wait for a few seconds. If you don't want people to see your caller ID whenever you make a call to them, then make sure the screen button is disabled at the right corner. If you want people to see your caller ID when you make a phone call, make sure that this button is turned to green. That is how you can easily disable your caller ID on your iPhone so that whenever you make a call to a certain someone, they won't be able to see your name or your number displayed on the screen. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.